Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another day. Welcome back to another video. It is currently 7:58, meaning it's 9:58 over in New York. So as you can see, price is currently coming down. I've been looking at this same setup for quite some time now. I'll go to the higher time frame just to make it look cleaner. So we had a impulse, a correction, a continuation. Then we had this impulse for reversal, which is impulse, correction, and I'm looking for a continuation back down. Right now, price is giving me some bearish momentum for reversal. So I'm currently floating about 1100 and I'll make somewhere around 55. I have been waiting for her to kind of sell off for quite some time. It just took a minute. So yeah, so now I'm just waiting patiently for that to possibly play out today. So it could be either a 5K day or a 10K day, depending on how this trade plays out. I did take some money on my prop firm, so I'm positive $65. The reason being, I took a number of unnecessary trades yesterday and blew all my profit. I was actually up $800 and I was in the hole by the end of the day, $500. So with that being said, I took a $600 trade. As you can see, this is 515. Yesterday I missed, and then 2, and then a bunch of other numbers. But today I just hit for 600, got out at 600. So I made all the profit that I pretty much lost back. I'm still in the hole, $2.26. So I'll just wait for another quality setup in order for me to take that. I really wanted to hold it for this play because I know that she's going to come down. As you can see now, she's going to melt for the most part. So I wanted to take it on this play, but I'll just wait and catch another setup. So we got plenty more days to trade, but as of right now, I'm currently sitting at 51,000. I need 2,000 more dollars to pass, so that could be $400 or $500 trades, or like $200 trades or something like that, which is still perfectly fine with me. I'm just chilling. So as of right now, I'm currently floating 1,000. It kind of just pushed back on me, but I'm currently floating 1,000. So we're just gonna see how this play out, and I'll keep you updated. And always remember, follow your rules, follow what you see, trade what you see. Don't make it a thing. Don't try to strategy hop. Focus on one thing, be patient, and wait. Sometimes you'll trade today, sometimes you won't trade for 2 and 3 days, maybe even a week sometimes, just depends. So don't get frustrated if you haven't taken a trade in a couple days. It's just the market conditions, and that's a good time for you to either master yourself or just have fun and go outside and play. So, but you have to learn strategy first. Strategy is the most important thing. Strategy is what makes the money. So the first link in the description below is the course. It's a $50 course. It is going to help you learn the ICC strategy, train like a pro, and you will learn that and do that over and over and over and over and over and over again for the next couple years. So you master that, and then you'll be having days like this where you're floating $900 or $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000. So just know it just comes down to consistency and just being patient. All right, everybody. So currently, let's do a trade update. It is currently 9:24 in the morning, and I'm currently floating about $2,900, almost 3K. So let's just look at what's going on for the most part. So we were looking for price to give us a nice little push to the downside. Reason being, on the higher time frame, we had an impulse to the downside, which shows which way the market wants to go. We had a correction, and we're looking for a push back down to these equal lows. Okay. So currently, that's what we're looking at. I'm currently floating 2,700. If I go to a smaller time frame, like 5 minute, you can see price is pretty much dropping. This was a reversal. Price had pulled back, came to a 23 level, and started to push down. So it's gonna probably push down for a little bit, pull back, come down, pull back, come down. So this would be anywhere from like a $5,000 trade, which is like at this green line, or it'd be a $10,000 trade once it's down here. I'm actually looking for it to hit these lows, but we gotta work through it. So I'll probably hold this trade for quite some time, actually. I might get out at 5 and call it a day, but from the way I'm looking at the markets, It could take a few days to play out, but I'm okay with that, honestly. As you can see here, I'm looking for this to kind of just float down to this equal low and then kind of just hold it at that point. So I'm just kind of looking to see what I want to do at that point, but that's what I'm looking to do, is just pretty much hold it for some time. So I took some money on my prop. I had lost a lot of money yesterday over trading, and the thing is, this play, I had marked it out. I would have passed the combine, honestly, but since don't care, I'll just wait for another quality setup and possibly take the same trade and make the same money. So I ended up locking myself out. So I got 7 hours until I'm locked out. I'm up in the positive $6,500. I'm at 5,100. So the next quality trade, I'll take it and I'll probably end up passing it or be very close to passing it. So no harm, no foul. But this would have been finished because I had my TP at $2,000, which is well over, and it was like down here somewhere. So I would have pretty much been done with this today or this morning. So even if I would have got out here, I'd probably been floating like 1,000 plus or something like that. So yeah, just wait for another quality setup sometime in the next couple weeks, and I'll take the same trade and pretty much pass the thing more than likely. So no rush. Follow your system, follow your setup. ICC to the death of me. I am only trading one scenario. I'm only trading one pair, and it's going to help you be profitable because it's like you're not all over the place. You can learn to understand circumstances through different trades throughout the year. You download data, you journal. That's where this stuff comes into play. But you have to stick with one thing. If you're strategy hopping, how do you get good at anything? Most people think you get rich by having 7 streams of income. No, you get rich by being really good at one thing, making money and being good at that thing, and then start to diversify your money from there. But you have to master one thing first in order to get really, really good. So trading is no different. So with that being said, waiting to see what happens. Today Discord will be dropping, so you should see that on the screen at some point today. Discord drop, free Discord, go hop in there. If you want to do signals with me, then you have to sign up with Liquid, my broker. That way you can get access to signals and or the course 1, 2. So course is $50. It's in there. I will be spending the majority of my time there, putting all my trades and stuff in there. My hub is the Discord now, so I probably won't be bouncing around too much more outside of that. Ain't no extra side projects for the most part. This will be pretty much the hub for me. So with that being said, I'm just waiting, being chill, being calm. I'm pretty done with prop, at least until the next session. Even with that being said, I'm not really tripping. But yeah, as you can see, Discord is pretty much up. It is my XAU Ken Discord, so everybody will be in there. There's a couple people in here now, my friends that I put in here. So they're in there, and then I'm currently floating $2,600, and yeah. So, and like I said, on prop, I had lost like $800 worth of profit yesterday over trading for no reason. So I made the money back. I made the 800 back, and then I'm up $65. So I'm still in the down about $2.26. So the next trade I take, or next quality setup I take, I'll make $200-300, and I'll be good to go. So that's the good thing about that. But yeah, so I'll keep it updated as the day goes on. It's pretty hot outside. It's 95 degrees here in Dallas, and I was thinking about going outside and going by the pool, but I don't know. So I'll keep it posted though. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Trade update. It is currently 12:06. I'm currently on the phone with my sister and my mom, so I can't show my phone right now, but I'm currently floating around $3,000, and I'm looking for her to kind of dump. I want to kind of get out the position and then go about my day, but I also want to let it just fall because I feel like it's still going to fall. So I think I'm gonna take the $3,000 though and just call it a day and just let it run and just do that. And then I'll look for another quality setup sometime next week. I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end up closing this trade, call it a day, and it's probably gonna push and dump and do a bunch of other stuff, but I think I'm gonna end up taking it. It's trying to give me a little bit of a push right now. I'm at 3,100. It's trying to push, but I think I'm gonna end up taking it, closing it, moving my stop loss into further profit. I got it at 1,700, so either way I'll walk away with $1,700. But at the same time, just like, man, it's $3,000. I can just take the $3,000 and just find another quality setup and just trade another day. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm thinking I'm going to end up getting out the trade. I'm back up to 3,100, so I might get up to like 4,000, maybe 5,000 it may give me. So we're just gonna see, but I think I'm ended up cutting this trade pretty early instead of waiting for so long to hold it, because I kind of been holding this for a little while, and it's just like, I know it's gonna fall, but or I could just trail my stop. But the reality is, it's like the emotional part, right? It's like, do I really want to sit and keep worrying about this trade, or do I want to take the $3,000? Because the possibility is, once the entire trade play out, it could be a $3,000 trade, or a $5,000 trade, or a $10,000 trade if it hit full TP. But when is full TP gonna come? I don't know. Do I want to sit into a trade that long, or do I just want to wait and just reset and maybe take 3 trades that make my 10K? You know, so things happen as you trade. You know, some months I decide to go a little lighter. Some months you want to go a little heavier. Some months you want to be a little bit more risky. Some months you want to be a little less risky. It happens all the time. So right now I'm currently floating 3150, and she's giving me a little bit of push, but like I said, I'm just not at this point. I'd rather just kind of look for a whole new setup and then just let this do its thing and just take the money and kind of run and just trade another quality setup. So that's kind of what I'm looking at, and I'll keep you posted probably like in the next few minutes and let you know if I'm gonna end up getting out or not. It's trying to push down to the downside, so maybe I can get a little bit more out of it, but for the most part I'm kind of just over it, to be perfectly honest. Like, I'm just kind of over the trade, even though I'm still in profit. Like, I'm literally up $3,200, but it's just like, I'd rather just take the money and just kind of run and just go about my day. So I'll keep you posted and let y'all know what's going on with this trade. All right, everybody, so we're gonna do a quick trade update. So with it being said, I'm still waiting for price to dump, but my mental capacity, I think, is starting to reach its limits, even though I feel like she's still gonna push. If she pushed, it's fine. I got some money out of it. I made 2 this morning, then I'll make 1,000 or 1,100 now. So I'm still looking for her to fill this gap, which she may fill when I wake up in the morning or sometime this week. So, but I'm really thinking I want to go ahead and get out of it and just call it a day and just be done. I made 2 this morning, so I'm thinking about just calling it at 1,000, and it'd be a 3K day, and I'll just let a whole new setup play out, which is yeah, that's exactly what I'm about to do. So I'm up 1,000. I'm about to go ahead and close this. All right, cool. We at $64,700. I just closed that trade, $1,000 taken. So 3K on the day. I'm done with it. If it break, it's perfectly fine. I'm kind of over trading this week anyway, but I'll still do like markups and stuff. But like I said, you have to learn rules, regulations, and systems when it comes to learning a strategy. I follow my rules, I follow my strategy to the T per usual, but I just didn't want to be in the mental battle of sitting through another trade throughout the night. And sometimes that happens. You have to realize that when it comes to trading, everything is not cookie cutter. Some things change over time. Some days you may be having a good day, bad day, good week, bad week. You want to sit through a trade, you don't want to sit through a trade. That happens. And right now I just don't want to sit through a trade anymore. I've been trading all day and I want my brain to relax, okay? So get the course down in the link in the description below. It's $50. $50 will change your life. If you would have took any of these trades with me, you would have made profit. I've made $4,000 this week and it's only Tuesday. So just understand that it doesn't take long. It's just about consistency, sticking to one strategy, sticking to one pair, and sticking to the rules of that strategy. All right, so like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button down the list below, and remember, it's just a trade, and always be patient.